Hey friends, who's hungry? Let's make creamy, cheesy, smoked cheddar mac and cheese. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil and cooking 16 ounces of elbow macaroni. Reduce the recommended cooking time by about 1 to 2 minutes so it stays perfectly tender. Drain the pasta and set it aside. In a large saucepan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese cut into cubes. Whisk continuously until it melts completely into the milk and turns smooth and creamy. Stir in half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for just a subtle kick. Let the sauce gently simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until it starts to thicken slightly. Reduce the heat to low, then gradually add 8 ounces of shredded smoked cheddar cheese that has been brought to room temperature. Stir the sauce until the cheese is fully melted and smooth. Keep the heat low, no boiling here, so your sauce stays creamy. Add the cooked macaroni back into the pan and stir until all the pasta is coated in that rich, smoky cheese sauce. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve it up warm with a sprinkle of paprika or chopped fresh parsley. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.